Today in Surhuisterveen. What are your plans today?
To make a great show, to make fun, and yeah, to see some people happy.
Yeah, and you don't go to the Olympics, but you are now in Surhuisterveen. Why that choice?
Yeah, it's just Olympics is it's a little bit too late with all the preparation I had. This season is just a bit too tiring, and I don't want that it happens same like it did to me last year after World Championships when I was not in good shape, good place, and yeah, I want to focus for World Championships.
How are the legs now?
Exploded.
So today you have to drive not that fast.
Yeah, but it was a really hard tour. So yeah, today let's hope yeah, these 80 kilometers pass fast, but no, we don't push crazy sprints. So but for sure it's gonna be one more effort before the vacation.
Well, enjoy and thanks.
Thank you.